أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. Religion is a collection of cultural system and belief system that relate humanity to spirituality and to moral values. It includes a wide range of expressions from organized institutions to personal belief, and can include elements like worship, sacred texts, and designated places of worship such as mosques, churches, and temples, etc. The world's two largest religions are Christianity and Islam, with roughly 2.4 billion and 1.8 billion followers respectively. Following these are Hinduism and Buddhism, with around 1.2 and 0.5 billion followers. For mankind, the main purpose of the religion is to obey our Creator and to satisfy Him. To achieve the satisfaction, different messengers, prophets, or spiritual leaders have shown us different paths on how we can obey our Creator and how we can satisfy Him. Islam is an Abrahamic monotheistic religion based on the Holy Quran and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Today, I want to focus on Muhammad Islam. What is Muhammad Islam? Is Muhammad Islam different from our Islam? Well, no, it's not. Our religious teacher, who is also my father, Sufi saint Mahbub-e-Khuda Dewan Bagi, named his ideology Muhammad Islam. Islam teaches us about the Almighty Allah and His beloved messenger, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It is because of our great Prophet that we have received such a peaceful religion that we call Islam and consider ourselves Muslim. Sahih al-Bukhari has numerous hadiths that narrates directly about the importance of loving of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Among these, one of my personal favorites hadiths is, a person's faith is not complete until they love the Prophet Muhammad more than their father, more than their children, more than all of mankind. Hadith number 15. Following these, to demonstrate the love of our Prophet, peace be upon him, my father attached Muhammad's name to his ideology and named it Muhammad Islam, so that every time we mention or think about his ideology, we have to pronounce our beloved Prophet's name and remember to love him the most. In Muhammad Islam, we have four main teachings: self-purification, silent dhikr, also known as zikr qalbi of Almighty, deep concentration during prayer, finally becoming a beloved of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. In these four teachings, we try to gain the satisfaction of Almighty Allah and hope to attain His closeness. My father Sufi Mahbub Khuda Dewan Bagi Rahmatullah Alayhi spent 71 years spent 71 years spreading his ideology. His ultimate goal was change a person's characteristics and pursue them to lead their lives according to Allah's will. His relentless effort has resulted in the spread of his ideology of Muhammad Islam around the world with millions of followers. After the demise of my Murshid, my father, my spiritual teacher, I am currently his successor. I myself am also trying to follow the same path and establish his ideology and philosophy of Muhammad Islam around the world too. My dear brothers and sisters, the main goal of mankind to achieve the satisfaction of Almighty Allah. Allah has sent us to this world, and returning back to Him is inevitable. As a Muslim, we also believe the Day of Judgment. Therefore, in this little period of our time in this world, our deeds are what will determine we are going to be rewarded with Jannah, which is paradise, or we will be punished in Jahannam, which is hell. So I believe if we can achieve the satisfaction of Almighty Allah through leading our life the way He wants us to, will make this life successful. I have mentioned earlier about our main four teachings. However, in order to learn or be successful in these teachings, one must learn how to meditate first. It's only through meditation that you can settle your thoughts and minds and devote yourself to the Almighty Allah. Meditation is an excellent way to surrender to Almighty and ask for His mercy. Meditation makes us think about our deeds and allow us to ask for forgiveness. This way, we can identify them and further stop from committing same sins. In Muhammad Islam, meditation is a key practice. Along with all ibadah, we have integrated meditation that has become a part of our life now. We practice meditation 6 times a day, after every prayer and during dawn, the time of tahajjud. We believe meditation can get us too close to Almighty Allah and connect us to Him. Toward the end of my speech, I would like to invite you all to reflect upon yourself and think about your deeds you have been involved in. There's still time. You can still turn yourselves in and surrender to Almighty Allah. I myself very strongly believe that a man's level of sins can never be bigger than his Creator's mercy. Indeed, Allah is most merciful. I want to thank you all for giving us your valuable time and being part of this event. This is only being successful because of you all. As you have probably established by now, we have more than 1 million followers connected with through various online platforms. They are patiently waiting for me too. So I would like to speak in Bangla and tell them few words. I hope you have enjoyed today's evening and collected a positive attitude towards our ideology. If you have any further queries about our ideology, please contact our volunteers. Thank you again.